Welcome to the third lesson of Kaita Joyful Dances. Today we will apply what we have already learned in the first two lessons, learning some simple dances. So simple dances where we will have basically basic step and the lateral step, and we will have something more, a little detail, that is turning one side, other side. We will learn also how it's possible to turn. Before refreshing the steps, I would like to say something about our songs. We have many songs. In Kaita we have three collections. One first is called Message from Tibet and has 108 songs. We have already published a book with full translation of these songs. Then we have a collection, the second, that's the between, and it's called Parsam, that means between first and the third. And the third collection is Mekor and have 180 songs. You can find all this material, the music, original video and our dances, in YouTube channel called Kaita Joyful Dances, or you look for Harmony in the Space. We have also very practical application for mobile. You search for kaita.com, where you will find the music, the original video, our dances, but also all the text. So there is the original text in Tibetan, there is a transliteration that allowed us to read and sing together, and then you will have also the translation of most songs. So I will say for every song the collection that belong to and the number, so you can easily find in these two way. So today we will learn Tendril Sampo. Tendril Sampo belong to the first collection, Message from Tibet, and have the number 1.8. So you go in YouTube or in the kaita.com application, you search for collection Message from Tibet, you select this and then you look for number 18 and you will find this song. You can read the meaning and you can see the full dance with group of dancers, so you can see the full choreography. Now we learn the steps, but then we apply in general in group. So it's easy to see the full group, how it's moving, how it's dancing. Okay, now we refresh the steps. So in this dance, basically we have basic step. Mainly we have the basic step, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. We dedicate all the first lesson to this. And just quickly refresh, it's right, left, heel, up. Right, left, heel, up. Remember that this is my right, where I have the ribbons, okay? So, right, left, heel, up. Right, left, heel, up. And we say the first lesson not to be lazy, huh? So the 4 count, really we go up. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, right, up, right, left, heel, up, right, left, heel, up. The other step we apply is the lateral step. So we go to right first, starting with right side. So this is the case of the lateral step, that we start with the same foot in the direction we are going. So I go to the right and I start to move my right foot. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, up. I turn. So I go to the right first with my right foot. Right, left, right, up, left, right, left, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the steps of the dance. We have different movement of the arms. So one movement is like this with the basic step. Simply, very simple. We go. Now I turn just to show the movement, but we don't turn in this moment in the dance. We do simply like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Another movement we do, we bring our hands down to the one side and to the other side. So like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn. So we go first to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, right, 4. 1, 2, left, 4. 1, 2, right, 4. Another movement is this. We go up really high with the arms, one side and the other side. First again to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. And to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We apply this twice. And then toward the end we will have this movement. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we go a little down also with our shoulder, just a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, and well up. So we bend a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the right is higher than the left. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This movement we repeat few times at the end, only at the end. And lateral step we already saw, and the arms are very simple. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is in this dance that the lateral step will be very fast. Now I did medium speed, but with the music it will be very fast. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pay attention that we will not move a lot. We will use a little space, so we are not going very far to one side or to the other side. We almost stay, so it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so when we know how it is slower, then we can easily apply fast way. And now the particular in this dance is the turning. So we will turn toward our right. So we will turn in this direction, full turn, doing the basic step. So it means, let's try. We do basic step first toward the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 times. Then we turn 45 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. We turn back. Again twice, basic step. Again turn 45 more degrees. And again in the center. Okay, so we turn like that, clockwise direction, in the four, like stopping in the 4 direction. Okay, and what we do with our arms. So here we do like this. We do this sequence of every 2 basic steps like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I turn, it will be like this. It's easier if you try to follow me than explaining this movement. It's very simple, but if I explain right and left, I'm afraid it will be more difficult to do. So try to do with me. Maybe I come closer. This is basic step, so we already know. We go like that and like that. Right up, and then it goes backward. right goes up in front and then up backward. In front, this is the right, so it goes up in front, up backward, up in front, up backward. And left does this round, down and down, turning like a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so in this movement, so if I do in front, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this movement we do turning. So I will do in front, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I turn 45 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4, again down. I turn backward. The second. I turn more, other side. And again in front. So we will do this 9 times actually, and then after we will add what I showed before with the arms up, one side and on the other side. So it will be again, I repeat slow, 1, 2, up, and then we go little down, turning 45 degrees, up and down, turning 45 degrees more, up, down, turning 45 degrees more, up, down, up, and then arms to the left, arms to the right. Okay, so we already saw all the movement of the dance, and in the choreography in general we dance like this. Male do line in front and female stay backward, and then one point we exchange, so female will go in front, male go backward, and so on. And at the very end, the last part of the song, we will dance together in one row. But we can also apply different choreography according to the situation. Of course, we can do in the circle, we can do many ways. This depends on the circumstance. If we do a show, we perform, for example. So, but you will find the typical choreography that we apply in general, as I say, in our YouTube channel or kaida.com application. Okay, so now I think we can dance. And we try together. So I will dance first giving the back, and then I will do again facing in front of the camera. Now arms change movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I start the turning. 45 degrees. 45 degrees. Again. Front, left, right. And then in the choreography we exchange position, but now we stay. Now we do lateral. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Male do stronger. Go more up, higher. And again. 45 degrees. Turn. Turn. To the left, to the right. Arms in the way, like this, like at the beginning. And to the left, to the right, but low. And now again, we start. No? Turn. Left, right. Now again, lateral. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, right. And slower. Now we do again a different movement of the arms. Down, up, down, up. Okay, very good. Now we do again. I will face toward you. And I hope it's clear. And we start turning. lateral step with another turning. So here the song is called Ace Sonandroma, that means Sonandroma is a name and Ace means sister, so sister Sonandroma. And the song is the number 331 belonging to Mekor collection. So again, you look for Mekor collection, the third group of songs, and then the third and the one is this one. So the number is 331. When you will enter, you will concretely see how it is working. So, lateral step, we do the lateral step where first step we cross the other. So, when I want to go to my left side, I will move my right foot. So, I will go 1, 2, 3, 4. When I go to the right, I go moving my left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the same principle. I do turning. So I go to the left first with my right foot crossing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, up, 4. 1, 2, up, 4. 1, 2, up, 4. So we have sequence of 4 steps with this lateral, and then the other step we will apply is like this. So here you see we step every count. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We step like we did cross. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Every few of this lateral, I will tell you later how many, we will do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So instead of 4 counting, we will have 6 different musical phrases. So we go 1, 2, so the 1 will be up on the air. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we start again the lateral step. We will try with the music, it will be more clear. And these 6 we will do turning, but at the first we stay on the place. So we try with the music. We do with the music now. We don't turn, just we count and try to understand the principle. We go up, palms toward the sky, we move left with the right foot. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So you see that we alternate. So we do 4 sequence of lateral step. So we go with lateral step to this side, to the left, with 1 sequence. Then we go right. And again we go left. Again we go right. And here we have the different counting, the 6, okay? So with this 6, we will turn. So if I'm here, I will turn like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So steps, as I say, are simple. 1, up, 2, 3, up, 4, 5, up, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then immediately we start with the lateral step as before. And now we turn. So first I will show like this. I do a full turning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I have to move left, so I cross this direction. If I turn opposite, I will go. I start left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then again I go with the lateral step. And the arms move accordingly. Arms move like this when we turn. Like a wave, but they go together. You see? We do, let's try. Let's do together this movement like a wave. It's very soft movement, hands goes together somehow. Huh? We imagine a wave in the ocean. So with the steps will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if we stay without turning, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I start with my left, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I go again. Let's turn now in both directions. First we turn from the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then immediately I go with the lateral step. Again, I go rallenti. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, lateral step. When I will turn to my left, I will do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I enter in the lateral step again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then lateral step. So all dance is like this. So always this, again we repeat 4 times lateral step and then 1 turn. Again 4 times lateral step, 1 turn, and so on until the end. Shall we try? So I will face first giving the back, and then I will do facing in front. And this will be the end of today's lesson. go to the left with right foot. One, two, three, four, turn. Lateral. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lateral. Turn. Turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lateral. Now turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lateral. Second. Third. Fourth. And turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. Second lateral. Third lateral. And turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lateral 1. Second lateral. Third lateral. Fourth and turn. Lateral. 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 Turn. Lateral. First. Second. Third. Fourth. Turn. 1, 2, 5, 6. Lateral. Now follow the music. Okay, we do again. I will do in front of you and I will not comment. Now try to follow me, but also listen to the music and let your movement be in the same flow of the melody. Okay, that is very nice, very soft, very sweet. Thank you for watching and see you next time.